Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. USAA is a financial institution serving military members, veterans, and their families, offering a range of banking and insurance services. This video explains how the USAA Mobile Banking App functions, its features, and user experiences. The USAA Mobile App is available on both iOS and Android platforms. After downloading, users can log in using their USAA credentials. The app's home screen provides an overview of account balances, recent transactions, and access to various services. Key features include mobile check deposit, bill payments, fund transfers, and access to insurance documents. The app also integrates with Zelle for peer-to-peer payments. Users can manage their credit cards, view loan information, and access investment accounts directly through the app. USAA has incorporated a virtual assistant named EVA, which utilizes machine learning to provide personalized insights and assistance. The app also offers budgeting tools, allowing users to categorize expenses and monitor spending patterns. While the app has received positive feedback for its functionality and integration of services, some users have reported issues such as occasional crashes, difficulties with mobile deposits, and challenges navigating the user interface. Overall, the USAA Mobile Banking App provides a comprehensive suite of services tailored for its members, combining banking and insurance functionalities in a single platform. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.